You won't believe what this clog remover tool pulled from 3 of my drains. Kelly's Collection, the brand, sent me this free of charge, and I'm giving my honest review on this. It's a 3-pack, and there are clear, easy-to-read instructions on the back of the package. You get 3 of these with a durable handle. It's nylon-covered metal. Yes, there's metal underneath, and here's the cogs on here that are very easy to clean that I'll show you. Compare it to another type of clog remover. This one, just the dirt kind of stays on the teeth, and it's not very long. As you can see, this 50-inch one from Kelly's Collection is very adequate for any drain, and in my house at least. And this particular drain didn't have a lot of clog in it, so I'm going to try it on my bathtub, but I couldn't get in with the other tool. But this one gets right through these holes, and wait till you see what I'm going to pull out of here on the first attempt. Look at that, hair and gunk. This is what's been causing some slow draining it now into one of my sinks. This one has been running slow as well. Oh, there it is. Another big clog. Now it's running just fine. And wait till you see what happens here in my bathtub. Again, this other tool just isn't going to get in far enough, but the Kelly's Collection one gets in. You may have to twist and move it back and forth, but look at this hunk that it got out of here. Now that drain is going to drain just fine. This is super easy to clean. Just clean these off. I also like to use a disinfectant wipe on the rest of it, and then you just wrap it up and stow it under your sink, and it's easy to use for the next time. Thanks for watching my review.